Blain, you have my whole heart, and you've had it for a while now. But today I give you my whole being.
When we went on that first date, I knew right away that you were somebody special. I never could have imagined how happy you would make me. You have the kindest and the most giving heart. You're my best friend. I know you'll always be able to make me laugh and bring me out of my shell like no one else can. I love you so much and I can't wait to start our lives together.
Loving you has been the most wonderful thing that has ever happened to me, and I can't wait to spend forever with you.
I looked into your eyes and saw starlight, bold bright colors, yeah. When I'm down, when I'm dry, no one else. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again, again.
Feels like I'm dreaming inside this feeling. I wanna breathe it all, see in vivid color every sunrise. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. Beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. We have all we could ever need. The world waiting at our feet. Aren't we lucky? All these golden moments, we're so lucky. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. And it's all for me and you. The little things, the memories, we're glowing in the view. It's all for me and you in this beautiful life.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. All right. So for people who don't know me, my name is Quentin, and I'm the best man. And I want to thank Blain for acknowledging to everyone what I've always known. I am the best man. Still, I was a little nervous about making a best man speech, so I looked online and I had to look it up. And I found out that it had to be short and sincere. So give me a second here. Okay, number 1, eggs, milk, toothpaste, toilet paper. Oh, no, wait, oh, crap, that's not it. Crap. Where is it? Ah, here it is. Sorry about that. All right. We maintained our friendship through. Whoops, sorry about that. I've known Blain since kindergarten. We were together so often, I think Miss B sometimes got confused about the number of boys that actually lived in her house. We maintained our friendship through childhood, and now as men, here we are celebrating my retirement as best friend. Oh, I mean his wedding. Most people were cut off during COVID, so I social distanced for about maybe 7 months, and I found out he replaced me. I mean, I guess I can see why she is a little cuter than me. When Blain invited me to meet Elise, it was obvious when I walked into the restaurant that Blain was completely captivated by this beautiful woman. As I've gotten to know her, I could see how she and Blain are perfect for each other. Elise is sincere and intelligent, she's kind and quick to smile, and she has a wry sense of humor that makes my friend laugh. Blain and I have a bond of friendship that's grown through laughter. Laughter on the trampoline, laughter playing video games amidst cursing each other out. Laughter being snowed in, laughter playing basketball and mini golf, and the infamous canoeing incident that created laughter that lasted for years. So when I saw that Elise could make my friend laugh, I knew this was the right person for him. The thing I know about Blain is he does not let difficulty bring him down. He's a faithful friend to a variety of people. I have seen his patience, and it is legendary. I expect he will continue to be the person I know him to be. He will be a wonderful husband and a great father. So, as I retire my position as best friend, I have one last piece of advice for you, my friend. Never stop laughing, even when the jokes get lame. So let's raise our glasses to the happy couple. I'm not done yet. Love is patient and kind. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never ends. To a lifetime of love. Congratulations, Blain and Elise. Now you may do so.
Kiss, bliss, good God. It feels like there's nothing missing. Filling my cup with some love in the kitchen. 'Cause I'm so sweet, super Sony, over easy. Can't get enough of that good stuff. Gotta soak it up. Getting harder to see, brand new. So I keep on smiling like I do. One look in the mirror and I'm back in the mood. 'Cause I'm so sweet, super Sony, over easy. Can't get enough of that good stuff. Gotta soak it up. It's gonna be a good day.